nachos with Taki chips. Take a look at that.
It smells real good.
It looks so good too. So we got this request from one of our fellow subscribers, so this is for you. Check it out. Alright, so we're going to start off with the ingredients. Here we have garlic, some diced up tomatoes, sweet bell peppers, onion, green onions and cilantro, some cheese of your preference, and of course, ground turkey. And you know we can't forget about the Takis. Alright guys, time for the other ingredients. Here we have oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons of that. Next, we have sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of that. Garlic powder, just as much as you desire. I put a whole bunch in here. As you can see, I like garlic. And also some black pepper. Here I have some Creole seasoning. I didn't have any Obey seasoning at the moment, so this will just have to do. So just give everything a mix, and after that, I'm going to be adding in just about a half cup of water, and of course, our cheese. And we're going to let that simmer for a little bit until our cheese becomes melted. Then we're going to add a little bit of mozzarella. Just look at how cheesy and gooey that is. My goodness. Alright, let's cut off the heat and let's plate these Takis. And we're about to try it. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Dig in. It smells so good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Is it good?
That's real good. I like it. That's a little bit of the lime and spice from the chips. And the cheese is like hot and gooey.
Is it spicy?
Somewhat, yeah.
I haven't
It's
tried
not
mine yet.
like,
Let's see.
overly spicy, but
We can't focus. I'll try. I think the chips makes it lemony. Interesting. So
the chips add like that lime taste that you have.
Yeah, I didn't add no lime to this one, but since the chips is lemony, gives it a little kick.
Yeah,
it's a different taste to it. I actually like that.
And it like really balances it out, which is good.
Of course, you know you gotta dip into the bowl. If I can get it. There you go. This is so good.
Mm. And the warm feeling of it is so satisfying.
That definitely helps since we're outside. It's still
Yeah,
cold.
It's pretty cold.
Still February in the South. It's get all kinds of weather.
Yeah.
It'll be cold in the morning, and then in the afternoon it'll be like so hot. It's the South for you.
Oh, it's really good. And then crunch. It's not like a tortilla type kind of crunch. It's like airy almost.
Yeah. It's probably the ruffles. That makes
Yeah,
it
that's
good.
what I'm thinking.
So you like it? Those four?
Yeah, that's great. Ooh. That's good.
That's good. Definitely a crowd pleaser right here. You got a party or something like that? Make you some of this? Get you some. Try this recipe out. Like, seriously. You will not disappoint. You see that steam coming out? that's like it's nice and hot right there. See that? Try not to drop this plate. Bussin'. Bite this chip. Bite yours too. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate just all of my subscribers. We're at 240, right? I believe. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's keep going. Our goal is to hit 1,000, okay? Show some love. Share this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget, if you have a request, write it down in the comments. Let us know. And I will try my best to create it. So next time. See you guys. Peace. So good.
Yeah.